Hi beauties, do you ever have some colors that maybe you aren't using anymore, but you want to continue to use them? All I do is I take the colors that I want to use and I use them right over my old colors, and I just use the Stampin' blends. And so I will take these colors here and I will turn this into a color that I would rather use, which this one is the Moody Mauve. So I'm just going to take a dark Moody Mauve and color them. And now I'm going to have a nice Moody Mauve in color. And then you may take one of your other colors here. I'm going to take this one here and we're going to turn that into a lovely shaded spruce. And it just colors it a little bit differently. I'm going to take this one over here. We'll turn that into, what is this one? A Parakeet Party. Ooh, look at that prettiness. And just make it match up with those colors that you've been looking for. Maybe you don't have that color. And you don't have to do them all like I just did. Use them as you need them. So we'll take this one and we'll turn it into a starry sky. Look at that, gorgeous. And so just because it was a different color purple, you could use these on any of your, look at that. It's so different. It's much darker there. And maybe you need some wild wheat. We'll turn one of these into a wild wheat. Give that a darker color and look at how pretty that is. So don't be afraid to color up your old gems. Aren't they pretty? All right, I hope this helped. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and follow, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.